Hey guys, this is what I'm having for Super Bowl. Even though I'm not a football fan, this is a veganized version of Shotgun Red's Sweet Vidalia Onion Dip. It's a baked dip, and I cannot believe how good the house smells from such a simple list of ingredients. It's just finely minced sweet Vidalia onion, shredded cheddar cheese. I used Follow Your Heart and Veganized. You mix it all up, you bake it, you sprinkle it with chives, and it's fantastic. It smells wonderful. I'm not a football fan, so I've got some bagel chips, and this is in solidarity with all of the people that have to, share a home with people that become like screaming maniacs for hours just because of a football game. Here's to you, people. Wow. This is the first time I've ever made this. And it is scrumptious. Wow. Yeah, if you're not a football fan and you have to spend your day in home in a like a Jekyll and Hyde lunatic asylum kind of situation, you need this. You deserve this. I thought they felt like pretzels. These are Milton's crispy sea salt crackers. Accidentally vegan. And these are kettle chips with no salt. I really like them. I like them better than salty potato chips because I've really reduced my need for salt, and regular chips are just too salty for me. But these are great. It's amazing once you get used to no salt, how good a potato chip, just a plain potato chip, tastes with no salt on it. Of course, it's way better with this stuff. Recipe will be on my blog, and I'm not going to watch the Super Bowl. I'm going to go off and I'm going to watch the magnetic monster with these yummy snacks. I know I won't finish the whole thing, but I'm going to enjoy myself. See you later, guys.